So is the dog is gonna go drive?
He could drive this thing.
Patsy, are you gonna drive the tractor? Well, he's the good boy. After I just finished throwing some crumble hay in the feeder, this is all my sheep right here. I made this feeder right there on a lodge pole and a juniper post, and that way they don't really pull all the hay on the ground and step on it and pee on it and poop on it. And this way it's a little more cleaner, especially when it had snow in the ground. This is the best way how you feed your animal, is to put it in the feeder right there. So I built that. It's not a perfect, but it works. The sheep are eating side by side right there. See, in both sides. I can fit about 25 sheep here, right there. And one of there is a little skittish, and I said I'm not gonna be in the picture. But that's my invention feeder. So before we go, or you go somewhere else, you go ahead and put about 3 bales of hay there inside. You can put it 3 bales inside. Let me see. I'm gonna right there. It's about 3 bales of hay, and they can eat there for a while. And just do not cut the string. Just leave it tied up. That way they just nibble on it and slowly eat the hay. But that's my invention feeder right here. And I have one over there on the other side, but the sun is shining pretty hard. But this is my chip chip eating inside the feeder that I invented making. So it's working really good, and you can see they're eating. It's really nice and clean. So when we normally have feed 100%, and on the springtime, you see some of those things, it's been clean, very good. For fire danger protection type thing, we are safe over here in the hillside because we don't have so much grass that can create fire. And there's some of the alfalfa hay that we ordered right here, and I think we ordered about 30 ton of hay or plus, and right there. And of course the baby is wandering around over there while mommy is eating. Oops, right there. So they are all free now, and they just sit around there while mommy is eating there, because they're not even interested to go get some hay right there. So that's our life here in the farm, Ilongga, on the farm. Growing up in the mountain there in the Philippines, and here finally my dream when come true. Have some little piece of property here in the US. It's not big, but I was been dreaming to have my own little piece of land that I can enjoy without fighting with my siblings. Anyway, thank you guys. Bye bye. So anyway, this is my beautiful guardian dog. Now they are jealous again each other. So I thank you guys for watching our video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and hope that you guys enjoy some of my video living on the goat farm. Yeah, I got a fish in the. Oh my god, I've been in love with my guardian dog this morning. Yep, and there's the troublemaker right there. That's a troublemaker. And this is the good girl. Lady, come on. Lady, good girl. You see the good girl right there. Ah, see the good girl. The selfie. Selfie, my good girl, selfie. Okay, bye-bye.